Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rani and I'm posting a video after a very long time here. I first posted around 14 years ago and they were just random things, either some of my work that I did or rare films of my friends, etc. But not very consistently posting anything, though I was much better with Facebook and Instagram. Um, Today, June of 2024, I have decided to come and be part of YouTube, and rightfully so. I am from media and entertainment world, and I started my career as a news channel professional. I started from production and went on to varied other things, learned from the best in the business, and moved on to other mediums like radio and teaching and um, but within the media, more or less. And I have been taught to do these programmings and you know come up with shows and show ideas. Wonder why I never did it for myself. But given my background, I should understand that a channel today has to have specialization, just like, oh, you want news, you go here, you want food, cookery shows, you go XYZ. I have not thought of anything in particular for now because I am a holistic being and there are many things that interest me. I'm going to mainly bring you a lot of people. This will have to be a platform for a lot of interviews. I feel I'll converse with people and get a lot out of them. You will have to tell me once we start doing that if I'm right or not. So my world is full of very interesting people. Today I have a media and entertainment company, and I have artists who I manage, actors and writers and directors and intimacy directors and all kinds of interesting people. So it'll be really interesting to meet them and know their journey so far and demystify of sorts this world that you've probably not seen much of, right? Jumping straight right into my journey, I spent 28 years of my life in entertainment and media, and I learned a lot of incredible lessons. However, one thing has been very consistent with me, that I am very impulsive, despite all the lessons. No regrets, so. Um, I learned in the middle of COVID 19 that a lot of things are not in your hands. And when you do not have a voice or you do not have a place to reach out to the other people, social media could be one place you can turn on to. And there is incredible positive and negative out there that I'm sure you already know of. The reason why I have switched to talking to people on YouTube is the same. I started my own company, jumping right in the middle of pandemic, not really thinking how future will be or what it will hold. Um, with my two partners, Suchi and Kiran, my husband. Suchi, who's almost like my alter ego. She's the closest to my alter ego. It was very exciting in the beginning. 2022, 23 of sorts went okay. Then came 23, which was last year, which has been a huge disaster for us. A lot of our people have just been working or waiting in between jobs, which affects people like me directly. This needs some bit of explanation, and I will do another video about it. But today, because it's just an introductory video, I just want to tell all of you out there who glamorize the industry, as in, the films and web series and acting and direction, all these jobs, they are very tough. It's not an easy line of work at all. It takes a lot of hard work, a lot of rejections, a lot of inconsistency, and sometimes unpredictability in terms of monies, even at your peak. So it's a tough one, definitely, but it's also a rewarding industry, no taking away. But last few, couple of years, 1.5 years to say, has not been great. So there is a huge dearth of work in Bombay, where I live and work. So here I am talking to you about the situation of the entertainment industry as I face it, You can see it with me. I'll take you behind the scenes. I'll take you wherever I can. There are a lot of things which we cannot show you while the filming is on, because there is, embargo on things. There is a confidentiality that one is signed, and so on and so forth. But closer to things coming out, when people are already promoting, I should be able to bring you some really amazing behind the scenes and stories from our artists who are part of it. Some of them you probably already love. So thank you so much. Please spread the word, and I'll keep sharing videos here, and hoping this will be a fruitful journey. You have anything to ask, any questions? Now, if you already know me, I'm sure you have a lot of answers already before the questions, but I will keep coming up with things for actors out there, for anyone who's interested in knowing this world. Happy to show you. Till we meet again, take care and keep smiling, spread happiness.